Hey guys, so this video is going to be a short one but very important one, and I'm going to show you the audit that I have sent to the owner of this 7-figure store on 3 things that they could do to improve their revenue, their profit margin, their AOV, and even email marketing. And this video is going to be highly useful for you because if 7-figure brand is doing these mistakes, there's a good chance that you might be making them, and for that reason you can apply these changes to your store to increase your revenue and your profit margin. So without further ado, let's get straight to the video that I have sent to this owner. The first thing that I've noticed when I landed on your product page is that I saw in the announcement bar that you have the free standard shipping in the US, and this product, which is your best seller, actually is eligible for that free shipping. But the thing is that when you scroll a bit down, there's really no label or something that says that it's a free shipping. You have the announcement bar, but the problem is that a lot of people, when they land on your product page, and especially if it's from the social media, they immediately scroll a little bit down, and that way they will just not see that this product actually is eligible for the free shipping, and therefore they missed that information, and therefore they don't buy your product. And just by having your free shipping label somewhere here below the add to cart, you would significantly increase your conversion rate because people love free shipping, and if you provide them, more people will buy it because it's a less friction for them to buy your product. I will show you in an example how other brands are doing this so you can apply it to your store. So for example, this brand, which is Ridge, you can see just below the add to cart, they have all these kind of trust seals. That's what they are called. They have lifetime guarantee, free shipping and returns, and all these things. So when your customers are on your product page and they see these things, they know that there's a less friction to buy your products, and therefore you increase your conversion rate. So that's the first thing that I would highly recommend you to do with your product page. Then the next thing that will significantly increase your AOV and your profit margin is that when your visitors add your product to the cart and they go to the cart page, the thing is that you have the cart page and you have this threshold to get the free gift, which is really good thing, and great job on that. But what you should be definitely doing here is to provide tools or means to achieve that goal. So I will give you an example of how we have done this for one of our client stores to increase their AOV and profit margin. So you have this on our website. It's a case study for the US Park Pass. They're also the outdoor brand, and as you can see, this is before the cart page, and this is the cart drawer after our implementation. So again, we have the threshold at the top. You're only $20 away from the free shipping, but we also give them other upsells or cross sells and products that will just with one click help them achieve that free gift or free shipping or whatever you want them to achieve. So for that reason, I would highly recommend you to either add some upsells here or the add-ons or stuff like that, or to switch from the cart page to the cart drawer, and that will really help you with increasing your AOV and profit margin because you will give them an option to reach the free gift easily. So when they see this threshold and all these things, they need to go back to the shop and find products that they will add to reach this free mini wash bag. So you want to give them an easy option to reach it with a single click. So that's the second thing. And the third thing, which is in my opinion and in my experience actually the most important one, I saw that you have the sign up form all the way bottom. I have entered my email, but I haven't received any emails from you, which means that maybe you're not utilizing the email marketing, the welcome email sequence. Welcome email sequence is the most profitable sequence flow that you can have on your Shopify store. So for that reason, I highly recommend you to add it. Like you can add a lead magnet, like a free guide or free digital guide, or even 10% off, 5% off. That's the thing that you should test, right? But the welcome email flow will really help a lot with getting those visitors to make the first purchase with you. That's the whole point of the welcome email flow. So I would highly suggest you to start doing that to increase your revenue and profit margin from email marketing, because email marketing is the best profit margin booster. So yeah,